Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai.
This is really beautiful. So these are all these different ones all lined up, all facing the same way. And you got lots of incense in there too. And they're all in these beautiful banyan trees as well. So we're gonna show you another little slice of Zhuhai right around here. I'll talk about this in a minute as well. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go with me. So I'm going to be very careful about what I say because I didn't grow up with the same culture to know all the different stuff, but Macau has a lot of these too. So some of them are like Guanyin, Tudigong, there's a handful of them, and they're like, I wish I could get into more detail. I think I should not get into the detail because I would be 100% a layperson and somebody else would know a lot more than me. But that is kind of cool that those are there. So basically, I can tell you a little bit though. Like Macau has certain ones, and they're usually, generally, originally kind of connected to the ocean. So Macau has a long connection with Fujian, Fuzhou. And so a lot of them would be like fishermen, goddesses, like I guess I shouldn't get into it too much because it's not my upbringing to know all of that, but anyways, there are kind of like regional ones. So there's certain ones that are certain regions, and so if you go to different parts of China, you'll see sometimes different ones, sometimes you see some of the same. Sometimes in Macau I'll see some that are, you know, because Macau attracted people from all over, sometimes they'd have them that would be kind of just giving you examples of what Zhuhai looks like. All the apartments and the stores, and also the bike lanes. So anyways, that's basically, that kind of caught my attention, so I wanted to start there. And that might have some more meaning to somebody who knows a lot more than me, because they can identify all of them, or most of them, maybe even all of them, and then they could actually even say, you know, this is from here, this is from here. Most of those I see in Macau as well, which makes sense because this is all kind of a Canton region with ocean that goes to Fujian province. Anyways, I don't know if you're really seeing much this time. It's just me talking. There's some nice brick homes over there. You can see, like, one of the things about Zhuhai that I'm noticing is there's a lot of these like 5-6 story apartments with cages or balconies or both. And then the ground floor will have a lot of businesses, and then there'll be parking lots everywhere for cars to park, and then there'll also be these bike lanes as well. And it looks like we're going to be going down one of these. So the name of the street I don't know. Anyways, but I'll give you a general idea where we're at. There's some construction right here, of course. So, but this is a major road. You can hear a lot of the traffic, and let's just turn the camera off for now, and then we'll come back on with it later. Okay, so I just looked that up. That was called Zhiwei Road. You'll see it below, and now we're just kind of in this. So I'm also just kind of giving you an idea of what Zhuhai looks like. So this is a big, massive street. There's kind of these car-centric streets like this one that move the traffic along and make it smooth, and then you get in other streets that are actually quite quiet without much traffic. So it's kind of a mix of both. This part of Zhuhai has a lot of these grid, so you're kind of walking either north, east, south, or west. you know, not a lot of deviation. Like Macau can get kind of twisted around a little bit because a lot of it is more pre-car, but this one is more post-car, as you can see, with all the kind of the care into the cars, you know, where it's going to park, where it's going to drive, and everything like that. So and Zhuhai is different in different places, but this part of Zhuhai that you could probably saw on the map is like this. It's more car centric, which makes sense. It's we're a little bit removed from the ocean now, and we're also a little bit removed from Macau as well. So let's just go up to here, and then we can try to capture this four corners feel and kind of get an idea of where we're at exactly. And because it's such a grid-like pattern, that is definitely south, that is 100% to the ocean down that way. You can see some mountains in the background, some of those, I don't know, you can barely tell them. This one goes west and this one goes north, very grid-like. And now we have to figure out how to cross the street, which looks like it's like we can do it that way if we can catch that green light over there. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, this kind of gives you an idea of where we were exactly. Big massive roads, little slice of Zhuhai. Then yeah, that goes to the ocean all the way down that way. And now we're basically going to walk south and just kind of meander down. So basically that's just kind of an idea of what Zhuhai looks like in some of the streets, so that you kind of have an idea. And you can see some mountains to the south, so we're going to be kind of navigating. We'll do a different road for that altogether. Yeah, anyways, a little slice of Zhuhai for you. This is inside. We just came up that way. You can see some tall buildings and mountains up to the north. And then these are kind of cool, these apartments here. There's even this giant outdoor elevator right there. It's so interesting. There's a lot of like private properties. I don't know if I can walk in there or not. Kind of curious. I have to figure that out in time. And then we got a kindergarten right there, and then just kind of typical Zhuhai road. Not typical, it's different in different places, but this is one that kind of a theme. Anyways, looks like the kids stuff has like a little track that they can run on. It's like on the other side of this big glass wall, which is kind of cool. Can you see that? Very interesting. Okay. Good like streets, right? At least in this area, that's the way they're built. All right. We'll just add this because this is not too far. It's just around the corner, but it does change from corner to corner. The feeling of it feels a little bit more intimate now. It's like not as, you know, it's more like apartments that, you know, with this businesses, kind of quiet streets, not as so it does change. So I'll just add that just so that it's, you know, sometimes you get one particular street makes the whole city feel a certain way, and then you get to another street and the whole city feels a completely different way. So this just kind of balances it out a little bit, because I do see this a lot in Zhuhai as well, these apartment style like this with these businesses down below, and you can see that on the other side as well. And they kind of go in, a lot of them seem to have like private gates, like gated communities. So I think up here we'll probably see that, so we'll capture that too. Here's a bus stop right here, so you can wait for the bus and have some protection from the rain as well. And then actually it's kind of good because you kind of have to stand on this side so you don't get wet from the rain, which keeps you from, you know, little kids that get near the road. And so it's kind of like the fact that it's like seemingly backwards but probably safer. And then over to the right, I'm just going to capture that because I think this kind of, there's something called Madam Lee Bird's Nest. Let's see what that is. Yeah, the bike lane is kind of shared with the pedestrian. So it looks like it's kind of a gated community, or no? No, it's like it's actually a pass-through community, so you could actually walk through it. But you can kind of see there's a few apartments. It's like construction on that one road again. Big, tall apartments there. So yeah, that just kind of contrasted out, gives you more balance. There's mountains on the side, so a lot of this is kind of sandwiched into mountains. So anyways, it kind of balances out a little bit, gives you a more fuller picture. Oh, look at that, all those balconies are like kissing each other to connect. Okay.
Under the Zhuhai sky,